Okay, scholars, welcome to Chapter 5, Systems of Linear Equations, and this is really just a continuation of Chapter 4, where we were graphing lines. Now we just have two lines at a time. That's all a system of equations is graphing two lines at a time. So let's see, I had this little thing here I wanted to show you. So a system is simply two or more linear equations. Here's an example. And a solution to a system of equations is just a point xy that will satisfy both equations, that will work for both equations, which is a tricky thing to find, which is why I'm going to teach you the graphing method. And in the graphing method, all I'm going to do is I'm going to graph both of my equations, and I'm going to look for where they intersect. Now, graphing lines, just a quick reminder, we're looking at slope-intercept form. So I always want to start with a y-intercept, and then I want to use the slope, rise over run, to find more points on the line. So let's look at the example that I want to do with you is number 1 here. And I do give you this nifty link here so that you can graph. You can actually practice graphing your equations to find out where they intersect. So I already clicked on that link and I have it available right here. We'll continue as me. And you'll notice that once you do click on that link, you'll notice that there are 4 different graphs so that you can do all 4 of the examples from this video lesson Google form that I have made for you. So here's our first example. I want to start right there at 1. That's where I want to start. So I'm going to click on the pencil tool here, and I'm going to go at 1. And I'm just going to click right there. Click. There it is. All right, and then my slope is 2/3. This means I need to go up 2 and over 3. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to go up 2 over 3. Let's make sure that's right. Whoa. Up 1, 2 over 1, 2, 3. Okay, right there. And I'm going to just do that again. Up 2 over 3. I'm just clicking each time. Up 2 over 3. Up 2 over 3. Up 2 over 3. Up 2 over 3. Click. And I can also go down 2 and backwards 3 because it's a line. I know that it has to go both directions. All right. And now, once I have all my points, I can use this nifty little line tool to draw a line through all the points. So I'm going to click. Whoops, that's not going to be enough. Let's try that again. Let's go ahead and click. And it's close enough. Yeah, it's pretty good. Yeah, there's a line. I just graphed my first line. Let's graph the other line. The other line, I'm starting at a y-intercept of 9. So let's go up to 9. Oh, you know what? Just for kicks, though, I'm going to use orange this time. I'm going to go to 9. Better make sure I get my pencil tool. I'm going to put a point there. That's my start, right at 9. A or a slope of -2, that means I'm going down 2 and over 1. So I'm going to go down 2 units, 1, 2, over 1, and I'm going to click, down 2 over 1, click, down 2 over 1, click, and I know my solution. Down 2 over 1, click, down 2 over 1, click, and I think that's going to be good enough because I can already see that my lines are intersecting. So let's go line tool, and I'm going to click right up somewhere here and connect my points. Boom, there's my line. Now, my solution is where they intersect. Now, that's at the coordinates 1, 2, 3, 3. These intersect at the point 3, 3. So my answer then is 3, 3. I'm going to close parentheses. And if I were to check this, I could plug in 3 for y and 3 for x, and this equation would still be true. And it would also be true right here. And I challenge you to try that on your own. Okay, guys, that is how you solve a system of equations by graphing. I challenge you to graph the remaining 3 problems using Desmos here and to type in your solutions into the Google form. Okay, thanks for playing, guys. Have fun.